Hey guys! In this video, we want to show you how you can easily unlock protected sheets in Excel software. So let's get straight into it. For demonstration purpose, we have created an example sheet here. We first make sure that it is password protected, so just let us set up a new password real quick. As you can see, if I want to work on this sheet now, I am not allowed to until I enter the password to unlock it. To unlock it again without knowing the password, you have to do the following. Step 1. Make sure, at first, to make a copy of the file you want to unlock, because with this method, it's easy to make a mistake and corrupt your whole Excel file. So if it looks like this on your computer and the file name extension is not visible, you have to select the tab View. Then at the bottom is a tab Show, and then File Name Extensions. If you click on this, the file should look like this, with the file name extension at the end. The next step is to click on the file you want to duplicate and then select at the top the icon Copy. After that, you click in an empty space of the overview and then select the icon Paste at the top. So now you should have two identical files, where one of them is the copy. Now we have to change the extension of the copied version so we can edit it. To do this, you make sure to right-click on the copied file, then Show More Options, and then Rename. Change the ending into zip instead of XLSX. Don't worry about the warning which pops up, just confirm with Yes. After that, you can open the zip version with a zip program, which you hopefully have already installed on your computer. If you don't have one, I will recommend a few in the description below. So you want to enter the copied file, then select XL, and then go to Worksheets, where you should find your different Excel sheets. In our case, there is just one because of the little test file we created in the beginning. If there are more, you have to look every file like the following. First, drag the sheet you want to edit to your desktop, so you basically duplicate it. Open the file like we did and use the Windows Notepad. Don't be scared of the look of this file. If you be careful, then you can do this easily without being a computer freak. Once it is open, press Ctrl+F to search within the file. Search for the phrase Protect, and you will find a pretty weird-looking line. You have to select the whole part, beginning from the opening angled bracket less than, and then all the way through until the next closing angled bracket greater than comes. You have to be very careful on this part. If you remove one character too much or too less, it won't work. Once you have marked it correctly, press the Delete button on your keyboard. Then click Save in the editor and close the file. After that, you have to go to the previous folder where you pulled the file to your desktop a few seconds ago. Do you remember? Then delete the sheet file first, and then pull the edited version from your desktop back into this folder. After that, we go in the overview again, where our two different versions from the file are, and we change the file name extension again to XLSX instead of zip. Once we have done this, we open up the copied version we just edited. Voila! You just unlocked your protected Excel sheet without knowing the password. And as you can see, we can edit it, as there has never been set up a password before.